Unbelievable. Very little used. No rust. Even the seal is still okay. No leakages. Basically, I got a new washer that was hardly used, but the only problem was not the machine, but the socket. Normally, this is totally eaten by rust, but here, very, very, very little. Perfetto. Not drying, eh? Of course it's not working. It's overheating. Oh, look. Well, this needs to be repaired, but those are like so... Slovenian frustrated worker constructed. Huh. As I said, it was overheated. Eccola qua. That was very usual and a weak spot for all the older Gorenje dryers, and when this collapsed, that design, the whole machine became suicidal. So, but we will fix that, don't we? Of course. Now it's washing time. Yeah.